Getting started with your love spouse device is simple and smooth. First, download the app either by searching for it directly or scanning the QR code included in the box. Once installed, create an account using your phone number or email, and don't forget to accept the user agreement and privacy policy. Next, it's time to pair your device via Bluetooth. Just make sure Bluetooth is turned on, open the app, and go to the device binding section. Hold the power button to turn the device on, and it should connect automatically. Once paired, you'll unlock several interactive control modes: music mode, video mode, game mode, shake mode, and even draw something for creating custom patterns. To connect with a partner remotely, simply add them via email or ID and enjoy real time control through various modes. The Pro version adds enhanced features like global companion search and community interaction. Final verdict: the Love Spouse app offers a unique, customizable long distance experience. But make sure you're on version 2.10 or later to avoid bugs, and always double check permissions for privacy. Like and subscribe for more how to guides and tech breakdowns.